Hello everyone. Today we will fix a few things in our game and add a muzzle flash so everything works as intended. Firstly, we need to turn the gun in the hand a bit so the left hand holds the gun when we are aiming. For me, -74 degrees work good. Now we want to lock and hide the cursor. Therefore we open the player movement script and write these 2 lines of code in the start method. As you can see, the cursor is hidden. To make it visible, press escape. I already created a muzzle flash, so we can use that. If you want to use your own, feel free to do so. The link to download it is in the description. Just add the muzzle flash to the shot exit point and reset the position. In the gun script we will add a few lines of code. Firstly, a particle system which I called muzzle flash. And then a command to play the muzzle flash in the shot method. Now we add the muzzle flash in the inspector to our gun script and everything is done. Please leave feedback in the comments and tell me if you'd like a tutorial on anything else. Thanks for watching.